I have the one, can I have the half a cup measure? No, put these down. I have a 1 cup and a half a cup. I need the half a cup measure. Okay, can you hold it over the bowl? Hold it over. Okay, can you dump it? Very good.
Now we need the big one.
Now what are we going to put in the big one?
What?
What are we going to put in the big one? We're going to put flour in the big one.
Look, it's mixing.
Yeah.
That's not too loud.
Oh, not too loud.
That's it. That's good.
You got to muck it up really nice.
Yeah, so I know. Let's give it to the neighbors.
The neighbors?
Yeah.
You think the neighbors will like banana muffins?
Yeah.